loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Lesleyanne. Today I have a little haul for you. It's not a very big one at all because I had to take my glasses back to Specsavers to get them adjusted and ended up just having another pair. Certainly haven't been to Lidl's in such a long while, so I thought I would just show you what I've got. It's not a massive haul by any means, but I'll show you what I have got. Got the magazines here to look at. So this is a box of 4 breaded fish fillets. So these are the fish fillets. I thought they look really nice. Look really good, don't they? A dozen, the large ones, yeah. A dozen large free range eggs. Just sort of dabble into the bag, it's easier this way. A couple of the belly pork slices. Where's the other? Oh, the other one's a bit further down the bag, I think. But yeah, a couple of these. As I say, it's the British belly pork slices, and I thought they looked quite sort of meaty and less fatty. You know, it's not like a big thick rind of fat around them. 500 grams there. Here's the other one. Yeah, here's the other one, another 500 grams. So they're all obviously 500 grams, and I can't remember how much they actually were, but I can get the receipt out in a minute anyway, just to sort of show you, just to let you know how much it all costs. But picked these ones up. I mean, some of these are a bit smaller, but they are really meaty. I've also got a pack of the pork shoulder steaks. There's 6 here, and I just thought they looked really good. Look how good they look, how thick they are. So I picked up these gammon steaks. They're not they're the unsmoked ones, but I thought they were really good. They were the XXL ones, so I think that's sort of like in the thickness. They look really good, and they're in a pack of 2. So what we did is we picked up 3 packs because there's 3 of us in the house. So by picking up 3 packs, it means we've got, obviously, you know, a couple of meals there with them. But yeah, they look good, don't they? Also picked up some cheese. This is right, that noise you're hearing is the kettle, because we're just going to have a nice coffee. So this is the extra mature cheddar cheese. It's the flavour is number 5. 830 grams, and I'm sure this was £3.89, I think. But I'll double check that for you. And only a few more things to go, really. I picked up some of these Sable Grapes. They are delicious. They are just so sweet and lovely, and just these and the candy floss grapes are just absolutely yummy. So how many is here? 400 grams. Fabric conditioner. I'm not sure, can't remember. I think I've used this one before, but I cannot say for sure, but I'm pretty sure. Does that make any sense? You know when you think you've used something, but then again, you don't want to say you have in case you haven't. But I think I have, but I might have used it in the blue colour. This is obviously the yellow Summer Sun, and this is 66 washes. So let's have a... very mild, but yeah, it's nice. It's pleasant. It's a pleasant smell anyway, as fabric softeners usually are, aren't they? And then picked up the last thing, and I know I've definitely used this before, and it's the 4ml biological laundry liquid. Definitely used this before, and I know it's fantastic. How many washes have we got in here? 50. Can't remember how much this was. £2 something, was it? Or £3? No, £3 something. Anyway, I'll have a look on the receipt in a minute. But yeah, bought that as well. Now, I'm not completely out of the laundry stuff, but very close to it. So when I saw it, I just thought, oh, do you know what, just get it now. Right, I'll get the receipt out. Right, okay, so I've got the receipt here now. Fabric conditioner, that was £1.69. Yeah, the laundry liquid, the bio one, £3.29. The gammons were £2.99 a pack. So of course I got 3 of those. The eggs, £1.69. Pork shoulder steaks, these, they were £4.19. The belly pork slices were £2.49 each. These, the cheese £3.69. I think that's what I thought I said it was. We also got a couple of like the salads, like the mixed bowl salads. So, but we've just eaten those. We had them for our lunch. So we actually got two of the chicken and bacon ones, £1.49 each, and the prawn salad one, which Luke had, was £1.99. Also got some fish. The fish was £2.39, and the grapes were £1.59. Yeah, so that's everything here, and it came to £37.45, which I think I've got quite a lot of meat here really, and of course the washing liquids will last for ages. So yeah, that's what I got at Lidl's today. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed it, please don't forget to give me a nice big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already, and of course the notification bell. You'll know when I've uploaded new videos, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye for now.